We have oh shit, reverse light, the brake light. We're about to stall right now. It's not that hard to do. That shit. Let's see, it shows you right here. If you're gonna do it, like, just plugging this shit in like that, straight to the thing. Shows you right there. But instead of that, what I did is I got the plug and play harness. It'll be way easier for us to do and shit. You know. And it's what I'm gonna do right now. I can even fit under there. We just got it off. You gotta take off 4 clips underneath the whole rear diffuser. And then my shit's just dirty because it just carries shit ton, picks up a shit ton of rocks. But yeah, this is the way you take it off. You just pinch, you literally just, because this sits like this, and you pinch these up to the little bottom ones, and then you just push it out at the same time, and then she just pop out. And yeah, you see how the other one looks and how the bracket looks. That one's metal, I think. Make sure it sits the right way and shit. See. Let's figure this shit out real quick. Alright, we got it on my. I didn't take off the cover shit because I know I don't want to scratch or anything, but so I was looking far away. But I was planning on getting the overlay paint on it because everything in the rear is all literally all blacked out. So like we were just having that shit red. And yeah, that's how it is right now. So once you put the clips in and shit, you can see in there, maybe can we not? So that bracket, you got it goes through the outside plastic piece, you know. So you gotta sandwich it. It's kind of sandwiching it in. So you put that bracket goes in the outside piece, and then you put the clips on the sides. But you put the clips on the sides once. You put the light in at the same time, because like on the other side it has like a little cutout where the clip's gonna sit and shit. And yeah, and then after that you're gonna need, I have my brother help me out, but he pushes way more down, and then there's 2 screws at the back that hold the whole plate, the whole light, plus which you gotta tie in the good or else it's gonna fall off. That's the main one that's holding everything up. Also the bracket, but mainly the 2 screws on the sides. I don't think you can see it. It's the little chrome ones, so shit. Up there. And yeah, once you do that, just it's literally that simple, you know. And then after that, I'm gonna try to run the wires to the top and shit, to a little like grommet shit that's over there on the trunk. Pop that hole out and then run the wires up through, and then I'll show you guys how to do the wiring. Either way, it's gonna be easier for me, but same thing. I'll show you guys. And then yeah, once you take a whole shit out, take this one out. This is gonna be a little hard to pull off for some people, but for me it was easy. And this is the one I was telling you about. You got that one right there. Oh, you guys can see it. But that one, you just pop it out, and then in the middle you cut out a little hole that way you can put this back and nothing will get back inside the car. You just run the wires out, and then once you get that done, put everything back in, and then take this one out. You take this one out, and then right there is gonna show all the wiring and shit, you know. I'll show you guys here in a second. So now like that, that's what I meant. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but because you slice it a little bit when the wires through. Take that piece out of the side. And the wire's gonna be exposed, which from there, oh fuck, I left the harness in there. And yeah, just plug it in. That one plugs into right there between these two right here. Right here and shit. And then you just wire it up. It should be simple. Each color should go through. You know, it's a little different, but kind of the same shit. Red goes to red, black goes to black, and then green goes to blue. And that's that simple. I'll show you guys here in a bit how it looks. I got everything put back on and shit. Yeah, I'll put this underneath here. Like I said, yeah, you just run it through, whatever, wire the colors and shit, put that shit back. And yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. I still haven't taken all the little cover shit, but that's how it is. And then I'm gonna show you guys the methods right now. See the reverse right now. Pretty really hard to tell, but the reverse is lights on. You can really tell better right here. Shadow. I think you can tell. And then this is just flash though, but it's still look. Once you press it in the brake, go. Let go. Do it again. See, it's that simple. It's clean. I'm gonna try to wrap it right now in black. See if I can do it or not. But yeah, let me see. This one also flashes. Has a module shit. Flash it one more time. Yeah. This is how it looks. We just wrapped it right now. Just a reverse light and black. It wasn't that bad of fucking cut out shit. So I did that because he has red and black. This dude has red and black everywhere. That's what I'm trying to see. Keep it like that. But yeah.
Came out for the fat bitches.